The shower stool is a great option for seniors, those with balance issues, limited mobility, or chronic fatigue. Its compact design, measuring 14 at the base, easily fits in most bathtubs and showers. The wide textured seat, 12.5 in width, provides a comfortable and secure seating option while showering. With adjustable height ranging from 13.7 to 20.7, each individual can customize their experience for safety and comfort. The non-slip angled base with anti-skid tips offers greater stability and security during use. Made with a durable and lightweight aluminum frame, the stool can support up to 250 pounds. Assembly is simple, with easy-to-follow instructions for a quick setup process. Overall, the shower stool is a reliable and practical solution for those in need of safe seating while showering independently.